Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download, install and activate Microsoft Office 365. Let's start. First, create a folder on your desktop, right click, new folder, name it Office. Okay, then open Google Chrome, search for Office Deployment Tool, enter, download Office Deployment Tool, download. Okay, determine the location I put in downloads, just save. Yes, that's my Office Deployment Tool. Just select it and right click, run as administrator. Yes, click this one, continue, go to desktop, find your folder, Office. Okay, file is extracted successfully. Okay, now let's check. Open it. Now I have two files. I just delete this one. Okay, this time I go to Google Chrome again. This time I search for Office Customization Tool. Enter. Click Office Customization Tool. If your PC is 32-bit, select this one. My PC 64-bit, so I select 64-bit. Select Office Suites product, Microsoft 360 apps. This one. Good. From here you can select your desired apps. I need Excel, no need OneNote, no need Teams, no need OneDrive, no need Outlook, no need Publisher, no need Access. I only need these three apps. Scroll down. Next. Language, English United States. Next. Next. Turn off. Next. 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 Finish. Export. This one. Okay. I accept. Export. You can go to desktop, find your folder, Office. Open, save. Show in folder. Good. Now just select this Office, Control C, go to disk C, paste. Okay, Control V. Now open command prompt. Okay, run it as administrator, otherwise it doesn't work. Yes, this time opens your folder, select the path. That's the path. Control copy. Just type cd here, space, Control V. Enter. Now just write setup backslash configure. I put this code in the description of the video. Configuration.xml. Enter. Now we just have to wait. Okay, now downloading windows appear. If it doesn't appear, you can check it from here. You see this icon. Okay, click it. It shows 4%. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe my channel as respect to report. Now we just have to wait. Just close it. Okay, close this one also. Search for example, Word. Open it. Sign in or create account. Sign in. If you don't have Microsoft account, just create account. I have my account, so I just add my account. Okay, now open it. You can use it for 5 days. I accept it. Open it. Good. From file, account, you see activation required. Now you just have to buy license from Microsoft Store or any legitimate sites. When you buy product key, just activate product. I have a product key. Just insert your product key, then your apps will be activated. That's all. Have a nice time.